At 18 years old, I was sleeping in my car. My parents gave me an ultimatum. They said, stop making bad decisions or get out. And I had too much ego, so I got out. I was in my car. I was sleeping in a parking lot for about 6 months and no plan. And just 5 years later, I'm an account executive at Salesforce. And in this video, I'm going to tell you what that journey was like from that parking lot to my dream job. Because if you're watching this and you feel like your background disqualifies you, you absolutely need to hear this. I never went to college and I'm where I am right now. So as I mentioned, I left at 18 years old. I was couch surfing. Sometimes my friends would let me sleep with them in their house. That sounded weird. But I'd be in my car in a parking lot, and if I could scrape together $150, I'd go sleep at the Hilton, which was rare. I tried entrepreneurship since I didn't go to college, right? I did a window cleaning business, a car detailing business. Neither of those worked out. I had no insurance. I was relying on the state, and I had a couple shoulder injuries, which put me in a ton of medical debt. I did manage a way to get an apartment for a little bit, but I ended up losing that, my girlfriend. I had no relationship with my family. I lost all my money, all at the same time. And I had no one in my corner. I don't know if you can relate with that. I had no plan. I had no foreseeable future. I hated my life. I felt like that was truly rock bottom. Now, I did have one person that's still my best friend to this day who let me move into his house. And when I lost my apartment, I would drive past his church every single day. And on Easter, I mean, what better day to start going to church than on Easter when Jesus resurrected from the dead? I was so sick and tired of being sick and tired. I was smoking weed all day, drinking way too much alcohol, partying every night, had no money. I hated life. I was like, you know what? I'm going to give church a try. I walked in by myself. I heard the worship music. Every time I started to sing it, I would start to cry because I felt God's presence and really feel like he was talking to me. So I just stopped singing because I didn't want to cry in front of everyone. Throughout the service, the pastor addressed every single question or concern I had about Christianity. And at the end asked, why are you running from what could be the best thing that's ever happened to you? And I get chills just thinking about that moment. I didn't know why I was running. And so I decided to surrender my life to Christ. And within 6 months, I was sober. I reconciled my relationship with my family. And I realized that I needed a direction to go in life. I couldn't just keep doing what I was doing. So it was either go to college or get into sales. I evaluated car sales, insurance sales, solar sales, every type of sales, medical sales. And I landed on tech sales. There is an insane career trajectory to where you can make six figures in your first year. Second and third year, almost guaranteed to make six figures if you get promoted. There's a good base salary. The other ones were mostly commission. And you're in an environment where you're around other young, driven people, and technology is the future. And so after evaluating the industry, I made the decision to not go to college because I wanted to save the 4 years and a ton of debt and just to dedicate myself to the job hunt. I was ready to do it for 3 years straight and get rejected because if I got a job by year 3, I would have saved a year that it would have taken me to college takes 4, and about $100,000 in debt. So I bought a boot camp to try to get a head start. I thought it would give me interviews. It absolutely didn't. It took me like 2 months to complete. And when I started my job hunt, I applied for 8 hours a day for 5 days a week for 6 months straight. When you have no experience, especially no college degree, your resume going in against everyone else's is nothing, no matter how many times you apply. I bombed countless interviews. I got 121 rejection emails. Must have submitted over 300 applications over those 6 months. Guys, 40 hours a week for 6 months straight is 960 hours of rejection I had to go through. I remember I finally landed a job offer at a company, and they verbally gave it to me. The day after they sent me an email saying they're freezing hiring because some sort of government, thing. Oh my gosh, I wanted to give up. Like, I was so close to giving up. I remember going back to my computer, applying from square one, and I just didn't feel it. That's when I realized how broken the traditional application process is. I mean, they tell you it's an entry-level role, but people that don't have experience can't get in. If that's you, I'm talking to my previous self, which is you right now. And because I needed the help, but I couldn't find it, I created a free step-by-step guide that outlines exactly what you need to do to land this job and avoid all the trial and error I had to go through. I was a BDR manager at my last job. I know what it takes to land a BDR job, especially after going through it. So if you're trying to do this alone, check out the community, the link below. It's completely free. DM me once you join. Let's get you this job as soon as possible so you can avoid this hell that I had to go through. Now, after persevering, I finally got a legit job offer and actually got the job. Started as a BDR, became the #1 BDR nationwide, then rose to account executive, then BDR manager. Throughout that process, I applied to Salesforce 20 freaking times and never got the job. God has been so good to me, I finally got in. I live by myself. I'm about to get engaged to the person, I am engaged. I'm about to get married to the person that I love. Money's good, family's good, out of medical debt. And I just want to encourage you that if you can put your mind to it, you can go from the bottom of the bottom with no degree, no experience, no employment, in a parking lot sleeping in your car, to your dream job in Salesforce just 5 years later, if you put your mind to it. Now, I'm not telling you this to brag about where I am today. I'm telling you this because I was you. I had no mentor. I had no one to look up to. It seemed like everyone that was getting in had some sort of advantage over me. I didn't have one. And I especially had no one to show me the way. So I built out the exact system that you need to follow, that hundreds of people have followed, and it's worked for them, especially when they get the one-on-one help from me. And it's completely free in the community in the link below. Tech sales has changed my life. It's given me a shot in a career that I couldn't have imagined even going to college for. And I can't believe where I am today. So I praise God. Thank you for watching. I believe you're watching this for a reason. Check out the community. I would love to see what I can do to help you. But I wish you nothing but the best in your career.